Hello everyone, we're out here again today doing some pesting. Ken's down the hill, I'm up the hill, uh, trying to take out some starlings and some sparrows, quite a few around here. Today I brought with me my impact, and for those of you who know, this is the Smooth Twist, not the Smooth Twist X. And shooting 177 pellets today. Hopefully gonna take out a lot of birds. They're all around. Every time we come here, boy, this place is a haven for birds. They're everywhere, and we love taking them out. I'm going down to check up on Ken right now and see how he's doing. Um, I've had a few so far, and we're just getting into the hunt. So let's go see what our little impact and 177 wants to do today. All right, let's go. Right here, this is just for video purposes, but I want you to see just how these starlings do. It's just a row of those suckers, man. And you can come out and you can pest and pest and pest and pest and pest and pest and pest, and you're not gonna make a dent in these doggone things, man. They're running the whole length of that thing, and that thing there's at least 80 yards long. Jesus Christ. Just wanted you to see what we're up against out here. And you probably think they're targets of opportunity, but they really aren't. You get one shot and then you gotta wait 15 minutes to catch up with them and get another one. But there they are, lined up. Okay. Let's see. I think this is about 50 yards. So I'm gonna try to take out one. But I like to go in a cluster, so I have a chance of hitting something in the cluster. There's not a good cluster anywhere. I'll take the shot at it. Oh, let me clear it up for you. There we go. Alright. Give me a cluster. That's a little bit of a cluster. That's a little bit of a cluster. It's only headshots. Not bad right there. I could shoot right through them though. I'm gonna go for this guy. Missed it. And they're gone. Look at that fly away. One thing though, after a shot like that, they always give you another go. So this is 50. Got it. First shot, 40 yards. Got it. 45 yards. Alright, 10 yards away. Oops. Got him. 30 yards. 32 yards. 42 yards. 30 yards. 33 yards. He stops moving. He won't stop moving. 33 yards, but I can't take the shot. $20 yards. Got him. Just for fun, this crow is 150 yards away. Just for fun, this pigeon is 150 yards away. Right about there is 100. And the wind is blowing that heck, so I'm going to say about right there. Hit the tree. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little sparrows, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little sparrows. Which one? 30 yards, you guys. Cock the gun after every shot, y'all. I don't do it nearly as often as I should. 40 yards. 40 yards. Missed. 10 yards. 20 yards. I'm guessing on this one, I'm looking at about 20. That should be the third reticle. 45 yards away if I can get a shot. Nope, not yet. That cow will not lift the ears up. They're feeding good today. Same thing there. I cannot take that shot, Jesus. That's a little bit better, but the cow is... Oh, he's almost out far enough. 50 yards. Okay. Got him. 50 yards. Whoops, he's back up. Look at that. That's the wing, as they say it. Can't pick him out yet. 30 yards away. If I can hold it steady, 30 yards is dead on the 30 yards dead on the X if I can hold it still. Got her. $40 yards away and not presenting much of a target. No target now. 35 yards if I can hold it steady. 40 yards away. About 30. About 40. Got it. 25. Got him. 30. 30. Got him. 23 yards. Got him. 30 yards. 30 yards. 35 yards. 35 yards away. Hit shot. And 30 yards away. Got it. 30 yards away. Got it. 30 yards away, handheld shot. Kind of shaky. Yep. Missed. 30 yards, y'all. Yards away. I cocked the gun. That's 30 yards away. This guy's getting out to 50. I think he has 40 still though. Move, cow. Come on, birds, walk out. Oh, there you go. Missed him. I'm guessing this yardage. $40 yards. $25 yards. 33 yards. 33. Pigeon at 85 yards. $25 yards. $30. 35 yards. This guy here is straight up. Just a little bit showing. See if we can get that in there. See if I can get that in there. Awkward position I'm in. This guy here is 20 yards away just looking around. Not anymore. 30 yards with a wire in the way. $40 yards. This is my first crow sighting. He's 70 yards away. 70 on this thing is gonna be down there. Hit him. It's hard to stop a crow though. These are doves. And you can't hunt doves in Michigan. And I'm not sure about pesting. And I'm not going to call them a pest only because of this. A lot of people call them pests because they just eat up a lot of grain and stuff in Michigan. But this is the first two I've ever seen on this farm. So if I'm not seeing a bunch of them, then they're definitely not pests. As I said, they're definitely not pests, but these little fellows are. We're just trying to get them to stop hopping. That's the hard thing. They don't stop moving when they're going after this grain. $20. This is 36 yards. Quick follow, one stayed. Just over his head. 40 yards. $40 yards. Trust this shot. behind that wire. Damn, it's a smart bird. He's not gonna move. Smart bird. One step left or right. I'll take you. There he goes. God, he stepped right on time. Well, everybody, that's our day of pesting. Boy, we tore him up today. The old impact did its job. I semi-did mine. Had missed a few shots, but you know that happens. Ken and I are gonna go out to the range now because Ken is getting ready to go to a competition in Ohio. I forget the name of it right now. I may be going too. I don't know. But we're gonna go out to the range because there's a gun he wants to shoot in that competition that he wants to sight in. So, but I like to pick up the birds that I get. So if you look up here, there's a bag full of birds. Like we throw them down in the burning pile and the farmer burns them. We're out of here, and I'm gonna thank you guys again for tuning in and watching my videos. And we'll just do a quick scan of the farm for you real quick to see what we got here. It's an excellent place. We love it. It's just a wonderful place to pest. And it just has so many shooting opportunities in so many places. Our second one is pretty nice, but it just doesn't have the offer what this one offers. So, out to my cow buddies, because without my cow buddies I couldn't post. So let's just see if we can get them in focus here. What up, cow buddies? How y'all doing today? Check it out, man. You guys are famous. You're on YouTube. Smile up for me. All right, let's call it.